Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will learn about the ways of different ways to copy paste the data. And for the same, here I have created one table which contains first name, city of five records. Okay, and also I have applied some formatting on these data. Now, one by one, we will see different ways to copy paste this data. Okay, so let's go for the first one, that is simple paste. So just to paste the data in a simple way, what we can do, we can go with the command or shortcut key control V. So first of all, to copy the data, you have to select this data, whatever data you want to copy, and then press control C. Okay, after that, just click on that cell where you want to paste the data and press the shortcut key control V. So once you hit control V, you can see that here we got the data that we have copied from this cell. Okay, so this is how we can copy paste the data in a simple way. Another one is paste as a picture. So to copy and paste the data as a picture, first of all you have to copy the data, that is with the help of control C. After that, to paste the data as a picture, first of all just click on that cell where you want to paste the data and then hit the shortcut key, that is alt h vu. So once you press alt h vu, the data, we got the data. But what is the difference between this data and this data? Here we got the data in the forms of cell. So we are just copying the data as it is present here, but here we paste the data as a picture, so it is picture. It is not as a cell but as a picture. So this is the difference between paste as a picture and simple paste. Now we will see the another option, that is paste as a transpose. So for same, we will copy this data again by control C, although it is already copied, but to make a habit to go with the command, I'm using the control C again and again. So just hit the command control C, and to paste as a transpose, use the shortcut key, that is alt h vt. So once you press alt h vt, it will paste the data as a transpose. So what will transpose do? It will change the column into rows and column rows into column. So that's how we will get the data as a transpose. Now we will see the another option, that is paste as a link. So if you want to paste data as a link, so just copy the data again by control C, and to paste as a link, just select the cell where you want to paste the data and then use the shortcut key, that is alt h v n. So this data is pasted as a link. So what it means? So it means like whenever I click on any particular cell two times, so it will show me that it is referred or it is linked with the cell B6. So let's check whether James is present at B6 cell. So yeah, James is present at B6. So this cell is directly linked with that cell. So what if I change this value? So let's say if I add some test here. Okay, now we will see whether it will change. So yeah, it is changed here also because this cell is linked with the upper portion from where we have copied the data. It is linked with that cell, so that's why whenever we change the data on the previous data from where we copied the data, it will also change here. Okay, so whenever we click on these data, it will show the cell where we have where from where it is linked. Okay, so this is how we can paste as a link. Now another option is a paste as a paste format only. So to paste the data as a format only, so you have to just copy the data, control C. Now it will copy the format only. It will copy the data, but now at the time of paste, what we will do, we will run this command, that is alt h vr. So press alt h vr. So now we got only the format, not the values. So this is how we can copy the format only. Another option is paste as a value. So to paste as values, so just copy this data, control C, and to paste values only, hit the command or shortcut key, that is alt h vv. So I will type the key alt h vv. So here we got the values only. Okay, so what is the difference between paste as link and paste as value? The difference is that if I double click on this, it will not show me any kind of linked cell. But if I click here, double click, so it will show me the linked cell because it is pasted as a link, whereas it is pasted only as a values. So that's how we can paste the data as a values only. Another option is paste without border. So if you, the requirement is that we want to copy this data but without border, so just do copy, control C, and wherever you want to paste the data, click on that cell and then use the command alt h vb. So once you type the command, it will show the data but without border. So this is what we can like how we, with this approach we can paste the data without border. Okay, so these are some most usable ways to copy paste the data, and these are the shortcut keys for like if you want to go with a paste as a image with link. So uh, this is for paste as an image only, paste as a link. And if you want to paste the data as image and link, so what we need to do, just copy the data. Okay, now select the cell and press alt h, and then here we can see the different type of option of pasting the data. So if I hover on this, so it will paste it as here, then here it will paste only the formulas. So these are the different types we can use to paste, like values, format only, paste as a link, picture, and link picture. So if I click on this one, so it is linked picture, means if I double click on this, it will show from which data it is linked. So that's how we can go with the paste as a link. Okay, and to remember the shortcut key, what you need to do, you have to just press alt h then v, and from here we can easily identify the letter, like black part or the black letter. We can, once we press the v, it will paste as a values only. If you want to paste as a link, so you can directly go with n, so it will paste as a link. Okay, so there is one more way to copy to paste the data. Let's say we have some numeric data like 10, triple 10, and 50, 50, 50. Okay, so if I copy this data and if I want to paste this data on this cell, but by like I just want to add these values to these values, so what we need to do, we have to click on this cell, then go to paste, paste special, and then select add and then press ok. So what it will do, it will copy these data to this cell, but it will also add that data to the previous one. So here we have 50, 50, 50. So what it do, it will paste the 10, 10, 10, but adding with the 50, 50, 50. So the output is as 60, 60, and 60. So these are some basic copy paste tricks that we can use as per our requirement. So that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will learn about more concepts. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmat.